Hey guys, George here with another Alpha Outpost crate. And this one doesn't come in a box or a crate, just comes in a bag. Probably hear it. So I opened it already, but I didn't look inside. So I don't know what it is, but I opened it. Alright, let's take a look. Some soft gear. That's probably why they didn't put it in a box, because wouldn't fit really. Alright, this one is the EDC, or the Everyday Carry. This was the first crate I received when I ordered. So I just ordered from Alpha Outpost, signed up, and this is the first one they shipped me. When you order, they ship you one immediately, whatever it was that month. This one has the EDC Go bag, foldable Tanto knife, flashlight, chapstick, another patch, and paracord. For your reading pleasure, what is EDC? The thought process, chapstick survival, EDC mistakes, and recommended items. Another little comic here of kind of like how you can use some of this stuff. Pretty interesting because it's, they put in the comic, so nice to read. Lateral thinking, recommended items, some more stuff. First off, patch, another patch, a hat, pretty standard. This is, I think, the knife here. Pretty hefty. Like wood on the side, metal part here. I think it's missing a part, like that hole. Should be a little thumb screw part, kind of like that, but I didn't have it, so it looks okay. Fits well in the hand, but I think it's missing a part. There's no way to really open it this way, except it is spring loaded, so you can push here, but it still doesn't lock out. Not sure. I'll have to contact them. The belt, the clip carry is point down, which not my preferred. My preferred is actually like this, point up. Anyway, we'll give it a shot and see how it goes. This is the flashlight. Aluminum. LED. Zoom in and out. That's interesting. Zoom in and out that way. On-off button in the back. Battery not included. Just gotta put your own batteries in. Seems kind of rather large and bulky, and I don't know how, stable this is. If you're going to use this as a strike bezel and you got this thing moving up and down. We'll try it out. Pretty bulky. Chapstick. Beeswax, coconut flour, sunflower oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, essential oil, peppermint. Pretty basic stuff. A little bit of 550 paracord. Little bit. Basic. Take a look at this bag. I don't know if I can get it all on the camera. Quite a large backpack, actually. Nice straps, hard padding, it's okay. Chest strap here. Waist strap. It's not really strapped on correctly, but we can fix that. No padding on the waist strap, sternum strap. So won't be able to handle that heavy a load because of that. A little bit of padding in the back here, some nice breathability down the middle. On the front side, pockets. You seem waterproof, at least material wise. The zippers are not waterproof. All these straps. Quick opening area for some stuff. Velcro inside, closures, upper compartment on the outside, side tightening straps, a couple really small, shallow side pockets. I don't know, an algae might actually fall out, or might need a taller one and taller water bottle and stick it in here. There is a vent hole or a water hole on the bottom of this pack, so the pack is not waterproof. Straps on the bottom, you can potentially carry a sleeping bag of some sort down here. And inside, somewhat waterproof material, lightly padded little area here. Or computer or laptop. Oh, pretty large. You can see. Pretty big bag actually. We'll see how it seems pretty tough, but we'll give it a go and see how it goes. Anyway, that's the EDC, the everyday carry. Let's try to figure out the knife issue. But I know there's a lot of different opinions on what should be everyday carry. Everyone has their own deal, and let me know what you think. Is this the right everyday carry? A knife, a flashlight, some paracord, a hat, a backpack? Seems like they're missing. They're missing a lot of stuff, like a medical kit. Straight up medical kit, band-aids, something like that. Multi-tool would be nice over just a straight knife. Let me know what you think, and I'll test this stuff out, get back to you guys, and let you know how these things hold up, and what things I would add, what things I would change, and go from there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, come back for more. Thanks. Bye.